Are you tired of always creating similar sounding trance kick and bass lines? Maybe you want to try something new but you're not quite sure where to start. Well, in this tutorial I'm going to go through 13 different kick and bass combinations. I'm going to be going through each of the different kick and basses, showing you the MIDI patterns, the sound selection and the sound design. I'm going to be showing you the processing and mixing on each of them. We're going to be looking at different types of bass lines, from groovy bass lines, rumbling bass lines, rolling bass lines, and many more. Seeing how many different bass lines are made is a great way for you to start to try and find your own sound, so that you can take out bits from which ones that you like and which ones you don't, and start becoming your own producer. So if you're struggling with creating unique bass lines and you're wanting more ideas for your arsenal, then be sure to check out this tutorial at allanmorrowstudios.com.